Hello students, this is class 9th science chapter 4 structure of atom. This is part 1. The first topic is atom and smallest invisible part of matter is called atom. Atom is the smallest part of element. Suppose the first example is in sodium metal, I mean any metal. Suppose this is a piece of sodium metal. In this, the round particle is called one sodium atom. This is one round particle, it is a one sodium atoms. In gold metal, gold means Au metal. In Au metal, suppose this is a gold biscuit. In this, one round particle is one gold atom. Shape of atom is spherical like this. In this, the center of atom is called nucleus of atom, and these round classes is called orbital. Is orbits, I mean orbitals. Now its center is called nucleus. Around the nucleus some orbitals are present. The particles present in atom is called subatomic particles. These are neutrons, protons and electrons. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, so they are called nucleons. The electron revolves around the nucleus. Suppose this is a nucleus, neutron and proton are present inside the nucleus and the electron revolve around the orbitals. The next is proton are positively charged, electron are negatively charged and neutrons are neutral. Neutral means zero charge. Neutron and proton are present inside the nucleus. The structure of atom, first is it is a smallest unit of element. Very smallest unit. Suppose in gold biscuit, suppose this is a gold biscuit. This gold biscuit is made up of gold atoms. Suppose these atoms are in a number of thousand or lakhs. These are Au metal. Au means gold. This is a Au atoms. This is a one Au atom. In the atom, the structure of atom is represented as, this structure of atom is represented as, this is the center of atom and these are the orbitals of atom. These are called orbits of atoms. Orbits of atom. This is nucleus of atoms and these are orbits. These are orbits of atoms. Its center is called nucleus. This is the center of nucleus. and the around of nucleus some orbits are present. These are orbits which is present in the around of nucleus. The atomic particles are called neutrons, protons, and electrons. Neutron is neutral. Neutral means zero charge. This is positively charged. This is negatively charged. These particles are present inside the nucleus. Neutrons and protons are present inside the nucleus. So they are called nucleons. So they are called nucleons. And the electrons are present around the orbitals. This is the center of atom. In this, neutrons and protons are present inside the nucleus, and the electron revolves around the orbitals. These are electrons. These are electrons which revolves around the orbitals. These are revolves around the orbitals. So this is negative sign, means negative charge of nucleus of electron. Negative charge of electron in this zero. I mean neutral charge. This is neutral charge. In proton, positive charge means this is positively charged. Positive charge. This is the structure of atom. This is part 1 of this chapter.